Hello guys, welcome to RentSyst channel. In this video guide, I want to share with you the topic related for planning and fleet management. It's called Planner, right? And it contains from two very powerful modules actually. So the first one is about daily plan. Daily plan, it's a tasker which allow you to fully customize, fully automate the process regarding the orders, rentals, and operations for maintenances as well. And the timeline, which allow you to fully see visually data like in typical calendar, but actually it's much more powerful feature. On the timeline, it shows you the calendar availability of every vehicle regarding to different statuses and your fleet availability. Right. So let's get started from the daily plan. Before we start, I want to ask you to subscribe our channel to support us and press subscribe like button. Thank you very much. Okay, let's go. So daily plan. Basically, this is the one of the powerful feature regarding CRM functionality. CRM is a customer relationship management, right? So this is where the Rents is showing you daily operations regarding your availability for the orders. So as you can see, I have 5 orders here. 5, right? So I can select it by these statuses and check it all there together, right? For your convenience, we split it for different colors. So for instance, if you click it for rentals, you can see orange rentals. So it means that this vehicle right now on reserve status, and you need to get it for the next stage and give it to the rental, right? So you exactly know that on this time, this manager at this location with this customer with this vehicle is needed to go for the rental and make it checking process correctly. Uh, okay, let's get for all of them. So from here you can also see the notes section. When you're clicking on it, you can also see the notes that you add inside your order on the notes section. So you can leave here any important notes about the order. For instance, this guy has this option. You can see insurance, service fee, and also option arrival, transfer, airport only. And important notice regarding this order, click on it, that asked this customer is asked me to meet him in an airport, gate number this one, flight number this one, right? So you can also track it, all the important data inside the order. You can open it here, and the note section goes from here at the end of the order. Okay. All right, let's get back for the overview for daily plan. Okay, so what feature allow you to see the daily plan in general? So the time and manager, you can also change the manager between your team in if you wanna. You can also see amount of the order you balance. Here is not paid, not paid, not paid, and this one is fully paid. So it means that customer don't not provide you any money for the order because it's fully paid. You can also see for some of the orders this option. So it means the channel from which this order came from. So this one and this one, it's like manually created. But iframe RS agent, this is my website integration which I'm using, and I can have different agents, different website from which I can receive my order. So here I can also see this notice and information. Pay attention that here you can also have 2 fast links to get inside the customer profile. All right, to check fast navigation about this customer, right? And same about the vehicle. You can also fast travel to the vehicle profile, right? Okay, you can also see the option that was chosen during the order, right? You can also open it from here, the order for edited. You can see order details, full amount, and make fast changes if needed. And also, which is more important, you can also find the details about the order, like agreement, invoice if it's generated, and check the order from here. So click to check it, and you will go immediately for checking process. Okay. How to check the order, how to work with orders, I will also leave the links below. Also from the right corner upper side, you can see the clue how to find this video guide to check it, how it works. So if you don't know how to correctly check in your orders, please check it. It will be very, very useful for your team as well. All right, so we will finish about the daily plan, about first part of this video guide, and let's go for the next step, for the timeline. Honestly, timeline is one of my favorite features inside the RentSyst because it's working really good, really fast, and you have absolutely good navigation during the timeline to see what is going on with your fleet according to your availability of the cars, right? Yeah. Okay, so how it works. The timeline, it's about calendar and fleet management. Regarding to this, you can see the different statuses. I will kind of remind you about the statuses as well. So the booking is like upcoming order which is not validated, and you need to make some actions to validate it for further step. For reserved, it's validated order that's customer is confirmed, make a prepayment maybe for you, and so on. Rental, this is the order which is already on the progress on the rental stage. The open is about upcoming service, right? You planning for the service, so it's not coming yet, so it's like the same like reserved for reservation. And open, it's the same, it's about the maintenance operations, right? When you change the status from open to get the vehicle for the service, it becoming for in service. And done, so this is finally comes true. The status done is recently released to RentSyst and available to use already. So it means that you can also use the status done to see your previous orders. Let me show you, for instance, for December, which is already closed, right? So before that, it was not possible to track closed orders on the timeline, but we will add it. We already add this feature right now, so you can check it right now on the timeline, your previous orders in the past, which will be highlighted on the green statuses like this one. All right. Okay, so let me describe you how to navigate this timeline. Yeah, so how to navigate. We have the clue here, so click this button to check it, the instructions how to work with the timeline. And basically it's very simple. You can see three main actions. It's about scaling, horizontal scrolling, and context menu. So how works scaling? Basically you will need to hold your scroll and control, and you can see you can zooming, like making scale bigger or smaller regarding to your navigation preferences as well, right? If you will scroll, if you will make it the same but with the shift, you will be able to move like this one in a time from the left bar to right bar and vice versa. And also the context menu, if you will click the mouse, right click of your mouse, you will get these three options. So you can view it, view the order details. You can going from here, fast travel link to this order. You can also see some important information regarding the vehicle, order ID, vehicle details. This is the plates number in my case, cost of the order, if the order was paid or not, due balance, right? The driver details, location, time, and return area as well. You can also can fast edit it if needed. So it means, again, if you will click it right corner, right mouse, edit, you can choose the vehicles here, change the vehicles, or choose the dates of starting and finishing as well. Some of the important options that you can also do with the timeline. Okay, so for instance, this Seat Leon, you can see you have some free space here. It means you have some free dates here. So sometimes, in case customer can ask you about prolongations, right? You can make it from here automatically, like this one. But I want to pay attention that this is really important change. So the system always will double ask you, are you sure to make it? Because this action will will be needed from your side some additional actions inside this order to update the price manually, or you can make it automatically with also a cool feature called always update price. The video guide about this also you will find in the link below, or link on the right corner navigation. So please check it how this feature works. All right. Pay attention that you cannot make it like this one, right? So system will not allow you to get the first order to another one because it's a conflict between them. But you can also make some action like this one. So for instance, customer want to change the dates of the order, so you can jump it like this one. Yes, it will be the same price. It will not change anything, but it will change the dates because the dates are the new one. All right, and also from here you can see the fast information regarding the time, right? You can see from the date and time, total price, due balance, paid or not, and the driver information. And finally, you can also get some two actions from here. Like from the left side, you can see the vehicles, right? The vehicle name and model mark. This is the plates number, right? And you can also, when you get a plus, you can have the possibility from the timeline, make the fast reservation for order, or make the fast service order for your maintenance. So let's check how it works. When you click add reservation, you will go directly to this vehicle profile, right? You can see vehicle already selected, and you will find the date which is available and applicable for this vehicle exactly, right? So you will not have the option to miss it without the dates, because you can see there's like a lot of bookings over there. So you can book from here, for instance. All right, this is how it works. Okay, let's go back and finally check the filters. So you can also use some filters here. In my case, I have 10 cars here, and it's grouping by 3 different categories of the vehicles. So you can also make a filter by the groups. So for instance, Hertz, right? You can see I have only 5 cars here. Or this one, like this one. You can also select the vehicle by statuses, sort results. So it means that how you want to display your cars by priority, by ID, for instance, right? So you can see ID 1, ID 2, 3, 4, and so on. Or for instance, by in alphabetical way. So the Alpha, Audi, B, and so on. Or by locations. For instance, on Larnaca HQ, this one vehicles, or Metropolis has the less cars. All right, this one, yeah. Or Limassol only, yeah. So if you also split your cars according to groups or locations, this is the best and faster way to find the exactly vehicles that you want to see without no need to have the full access for all your vehicles, right? And right, this is all how it works. Hope it was useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Automate the business with RentSyst, and keep in touch. See you in the next video, guys.